हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम जानने वाले हैं फिजियोथेरेपी में व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लिवर एंड बेसिक्स ऑफ लिवर। तो देखते रहिए। So in today's lecture, what we are going to understand is about liver. Liver is the most basic topic which every physiotherapist is going to encounter when we start our bachelor's of physiotherapy. So we are going to divide this lecture in several parts, and in today's lecture what we are going to cover is the introduction of liver and what do you mean by liver. So to understand that what do you mean by liver, you should know the definition of liver. So to simplify the definition, I am explaining it here. See, basically liver is a rigid bar. Any rigid bar, you can for example consider this is a rod. Okay, now this can be considered as a rigid bar. A rigid bar which is capable of movement about a fixed axis is said to be a liver. Now suppose this is a rigid bar and I am making a fixed point, and whenever I apply some kind of effort or something or some kind of force, this is going to move बाय द बेसिस ऑफ दिस फिक्स पॉइंट। मतलब अगर इसको हिंदी में समझे तो एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट है जिसके अराउंड एक रॉड है जो रिजिड है और वो मूव करेगा। ओके, सो दैट इज अ लिवर। अ लिवर इज अ रिजिड बार विच इज केपेबल ऑफ मूवमेंट अबाउट अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट। अब लिवर में 3 टर्मिनोलॉजीज है जो जाननी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वेन एवर वी टॉक अबाउट लिवर, यू शुड नो 3 टर्मिनोलॉजीज विच इज द फल्क्रम, द एफर्ट एंड द वेट। जब भी आप लिवर की बात करेंगे इन 3 चीज़ों की तो आप हमेशा ही बात करेंगे। सो जब हमने लिवर का डेफिनेशन देखा, वी टोल्ड कि देयर इज अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट। नाउ व्हाट इज दैट फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज फल्क्रम। When you are talking about liver, a rigid bar who is capable of moving on a fixed point, that fixed point is said to be fulcrum. Okay, अब whenever you want any kind of movement to happen, you would require some kind of effort. अब वो effort इस end पे भी हो सकता है, इस end पे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ कहीं बीच में भी हो सकता है, यहाँ कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. You would require some effort. So when you are talking about liver, the fixed point is called fulcrum, and from whatever point you are going to give the effort, that is said to be your effort. And in liver, the third terminology is weight. मतलब कि जब भी आप ये फिक्स्ड पॉइंट के अराउंड कहीं पे भी एफर्ट लगाएंगे, कोई भी यहाँ जो वेट होगा उस पे भी वो एफर्ट वर्क करेगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक 3 चीजें जो आपको लिवर में याद रखनी है, विच इज अ रिजिड बार विच इज केपेबल ऑफ मूवमेंट, अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट विच इज कॉल्ड फल्क्रम, एक एफर्ट वाला पॉइंट जहां से एफर्ट लगाएंगे, एंड अ वेट जिस पे ये फोर्स एक्ट करेगा। सो दिस इज द वेरी वेरी बेसिक ऑफ लिवर। नाउ लिवर इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 ऑर्डर्स ऑफ लिवर. The first order, the second order, and the third order liver. Now, how do we classify this first, second, and third order livers? That is very important. And the basic for remembering this is always remember the position of fulcrum. Fulcrum का जब आप position याद रख लेंगे तब आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा first order liver, second order liver और third order liver को याद रखना. Okay, now how will you remember कि first order liver में क्या होता है, second order liver में क्या होता है, third order liver में क्या होता है? In first order liver, your fulcrum will always lie between effort and weight. Okay, so that is your first order liver. In first order liver, your fulcrum is always between weight and effort. Now the biggest mistake which the students make is they will always tell कि weight is on the right side and effort is on the left side, or effort is on the or weight is on the left side and effort is on the right side. But that is not how you students should answer. Whenever you are asked about first order liver, you should always say just one thing, that whenever the fulcrum is between the weight and effort, it is considered to be the first order liver. In second order liver, what happens is that in this case the weight is between the effort and fulcrum. अब fulcrum यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, effort यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है. What you have to speak is in second order liver, the weight is always between effort and fulcrum. आगे हम जानेंगे ये distance क्या होता है, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो सब. But for now, what you need to remember is that the weight is in between the effort and fulcrum. And of course, in the third order liver, what happens is your effort is between fulcrum and weight. So whenever you students answer to the viva of an examiner, always speak in first order liver, the fulcrum is in between, in second order liver, the weight is in between, and in third order liver, the effort is in between. So this is the basic of liver. And we are going to stop this for now. If you like this video, if you have understood something from this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is the Physio Blogger. See you soon with the part 2.